Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best 18 gauge brad nailers that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best 18 gauge brad nailers. High capacity magazine and tool-free drive depth adjustment. Also, we were impressed by its sturdy construction and high performance, as evidenced by the large number of 5-star reviews it earned. There are many things to consider when wanting to buy the best 18 gauge brad nailer. The best overall brad nailers will have many useful, such as a small nose size to land nails precisely. Number 5. 18-volt 1 Plus Airstrike 18 gauge cordless brad nailer. This 18 gauge brad nailer airstrike technology, which eliminates the need for noisy compressors. This means faster setup and easier maneuvering on the job site. Main features: cordless design, easy to use, superior performance. Number 4. Makita AF506 2 inches brad nailer 18 gauge. Aluminum body, magazine and cylinder for strength and durability. Built-in air duster provides convenient airflow to clear work surface. Powerful motor drives the range. Main features: easy to use, weighs only 2.9 pounds, narrow nose design. Number 3. PorterCable 20 volts max cordless brad nailer kit. The special motor design provides consistent firing power into various materials. This nailer multiple tool-free settings to provide increased productivity. Main features: 3-year limited warranty, consistent driving depth, better runtime. Number 2. 161,720 3/4 inch to 2 inch 18 gauge brad nailer. Brads in the magazine with a quick release to make jam clearing a breeze. Operate at 60 to 100 psi with a 1/4 inch NPT air inlet fitting. Main features: lightweight aluminum body, rubber grip handle, 2 adjustment wrenches. Number 1. Hitachi NT50A2 18 gauge 5/8 inch to 2 inch brad nailer. Selective actuation allows the user to select bump fire or contact fire modes with the simple flip of a switch. High capacity magazine. Main features: elastomer grip adds comfort. Easy to use all day long. Lightweight. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.